Let's explore how you can turn a video or multiple images into a GIF using Flixier. First, head over to Flixier.com and click on Get Started. You can upload a video from your device, scan a QR code to upload one directly from your phone, or even import files from various online platforms or social media sites like TikTok just by copying and pasting the link. After you upload your file, it will show up in your library on the left side of the screen. To move your file down to the timeline, just drag and drop it from the library or click the plus button to add it. The first thing you need to consider when creating your GIF is the aspect ratio and resolution. Usually, GIFs tend to be closer to a square rather than being fully widescreen, so consider choosing a square or 4:3 aspect ratio from the canvas settings. You should also keep in mind that GIFs tend to be a lot larger than videos when it comes to file size. That means that if you want to be able to send your GIF over messaging apps without it taking ages to load, you should go for a 480p resolution rather than the usual 720p or 1080p you would use for a video. You can modify your resolution easily from the canvas settings menu here and then use the handles on the edges of your video to reframe it for a smaller size. Now that we have the right resolution, it's time to deal with the length. GIFs are usually only a few seconds long, so you'll need to select the best part from your video in order to include it as a GIF. To do that, drag the playhead to the right time in the video and use the cut button to separate the desired segment from the rest of your video. Afterwards, you can delete the unwanted parts. Now that you only have the part of your video that you need, you can continue editing it before you save it as a GIF. If you want to add some funny text, you can do so easily from the text menu on the left side. Flixier offers a variety of text styles, including animated options, which can really help your GIF pop. Customize your text by adjusting the font, size, animation style, and more from the right side menu. When you're ready, you can save the GIF to your computer by clicking the Export button. Before we start though, I wanted to let you know that you can also use Flixier to combine multiple images into a GIF. Just upload your images, shorten each one to about 1 or 2 seconds on the timeline, then arrange them in sequence. Adding transitions between them can also help them flow together more easily. Regardless of the method you use, you'll need to click the Export button to save your GIF. Make sure to select GIF as your format and then adjust the frame rate according to your needs. A higher frame rate like 25 FPS will result in smoother motion, but unless your GIF is super short and low resolution, the file size will be way too large. A lower frame rate can help balance everything out and result in a file that you can share more easily. That's all there is to it. Your GIF will now be ready in just a few moments. If you found this video helpful, visit our YouTube channel for more useful tips and tricks. And don't forget to check out our tutorial on adding animated subtitles to your videos for even more creative options. Until next time, happy editing!